Hello there. I am so glad you're here. I'm Peggy Lamb, and just to tell you a little bit about me, I'm the founder of Massage Publications and the Abundant Bodyworker. I've been providing resources through CE courses, books, videos to body workers of all kinds, business coaching too, for over 25 years. And even though I consider myself a reluctant businesswoman, I've been able to create multiple streams of income, and so can you. Yes, you can. I'm a presenter for PESI Rehab, Allied Health, Home CEU, many state AMTA chapter conventions, and I'm also on the board of review for PESI Rehab. And most of all, I'm committed to supporting body workers, making a profound difference in people's lives and making money while doing it. So I'm sure you're here because you are exploring passive income streams. And who wouldn't want that, right? So the Abundant Bodyworker Jumpstart Workshop is for you. If you're too busy already, you want to earn more while cutting back on the number of hours. You feel fatigued from working hands-on and you want to transition into a style of work or a business model that makes a long-term career more sustainable. You have a goal for growth, but you're struggling to break free of the natural cap of a treatment-based model. By that, I mean you're trading dollars for hours, is what most of us do, in your one-on-one treatments with your clients. And maybe you're burned out. Body work can be hard on the body. You're considering leaving the profession you love. You're worried how your body can stand up to seeing 20 or 30 clients per week. And maybe you go to bed aching because you've given so much to emotionally and physically to your clients. However, maybe you're an expert in your field. You have a lot to share. You want to help people, but you don't know how to turn that into a consistently profitable business. And the truth is, to make a real impact in the world and create a successful business, you need to find a way to monetize your expertise in more ways than your body work on clients. And it's not as hard as it sounds. So what if you could turn the expertise you already have into a profitable online or digital course? Don't let that online or digital scare you. You'll get better results for your clients by extending your work beyond the treatment room. And you can easily up-level your income with client support programs. Do you have clients that come in all the time with the same problem? Well, they're the clients that you want to create a support program for. Because online support or training is an amazing way to give value to your clients and get bigger results for them between visits. And let's face it, since all the lockdowns, online connection is something many clients, they like it, they want it, they kind of expect it sometimes too. Now, most people think that in order to do this, you need special equipment, extensive marketing skills, and tech expertise. But the truth is, all you really need is your home and your office and a blueprint. Would you be surprised if I told you, in terms of tech, all you need to start with is your phone, a smartphone, and a word processing program? Yeah, you really can. So the Abundant Bodyworker Jumpstart Workshop is where you'll learn how to easily up-level your income with client support programs. Now, you can do it the slow way or the fast way. Yes, you can kind of cobble all this together from YouTube and Google, But wouldn't you rather have me holding your hand and guiding you? I have so much experience in this area. And be part of a community of like-minded body workers supporting you, cheering you on. They're your home team, because it takes a village to be an entrepreneur. So in the workshop, one of the things we'll be concentrating on is creating your program, looking at all the details. What is the topic of your first, or maybe it's your next program? What are the big selling points or the transformations for your clients? When will I work, or you work, in creation and marketing time? And one of the most common, biggest mistakes that I've seen in my clients is not scheduling time to work on your program. And this is Brian, who was hot to trot, great program in mind. And he had a lot of things done, but then he just put it aside. Life gets in the way. And he actually hired me for a half day to sit with him so he could drill down on the details and get everything in order and re-inspire him. And he's the one who gave me the idea for this workshop. And I floated it past my other clients, and they're going, yeah, if I could just take one day and really drill down, then I could get started on this. So if you're a body worker who's ready to earn more while cutting back on the number of hours, to transition into a style of worker business that makes a long-term career more sustainable, and break free of the natural cap of a treatment-based model. Because let's face it, we're only physically capable of seeing a certain amount of clients per week. So it's on March 24th from 10 to 4. We'll follow a curriculum specifically designed for your success. It's 5 approved CEs, and you'll grow your confidence with Mindset Matters. And this is Nicole, who worked with me, and she says, Peggy, help me identify the strengths and to lean into them, which is what I'm here to help you to do. To shine your light, to own your expertise. And you'll get a done-for-you blueprint to easily create your program with my course creation guide. And you'll free up your intuition with the EFT tapping of quieting the critical voice, tapping for success. So really letting that voice up and out that says, I'm not good enough. I don't know enough. I don't have the right certifications. It's been done before. We're going to free up your intuition. Now I'm limiting this to 25 people so I can serve everybody with outstanding service. And so you get the workshop, you get the Mindset Matters bonus, you get the Own Your Expertise bonus, you get the course creation guide, you get quieting the critical voice, tapping for success. And this all adds up to over $1,400 in value. And I'm going to reveal your special price in just a second, but think about the big picture. What is this really worth to you in the long run? What will be worth from you a year from now, 2 years from now? Wouldn't having a passive income stream be really nice? I can tell you that when COVID hit and all my teaching tours were canceled, and of course couldn't see my clients, my passive income streams continued. In fact, they really jumped up a lot. So your price until March 19th is only $197. Yes. So scroll down to the blue Enroll Now button. You'll reach a page like this. That's called the checkout page. You'll get a confirmation email from me within 24 hours. So I hope to see you there. so you can open up to seeing and experiencing more prosperity possibilities. Go ahead, enroll now.